Good morning, everyone. This is Linda. I've been having a great morning. Yeah, just me in my garden. That's it. That's all. But listen, I hope you are having a beautiful Friday. It is awesome here today. So if you don't know, today is the first day of Jazz Fest in New Orleans. Yes. So I'm going to be heading out in a little bit, but I want to get my greens on, y'all, because yeah, it's nothing like going out and having a good time and then come home and you don't have any food cooked. But we're gonna do that. But listen, guys, also in this video I want to share with you, I did do a harvest. I made a little harvest. I'm gonna show you what I harvested, okay? But my shirt. Now, I don't know if you saw my last video, but the last video I had my cup. Now, I had my cup, I don't know where it's at. I think it's in the house. I do have some friends here because we all going to ride together this morning. But it says, put them in the pot. That's what I'm going to do. So, my nephew over there back to our roots homestead, listen, y'all, his favorite vegetable, it's a brassica. It's a collard green. That's what it is. And what he like to do, baby, he like to put them in the pot. That's what he do. That's what he do. So this is another one of their shirts that they have, right? So this is the website. Go check it out, right? Go check it out. But I'm going to share with you all that harvest I did. I did drop a few seeds. I don't know if it's in this video, but I'm going to share what I got, okay? So, let's get on with the video. Yeah. This is my biggest elderberry tree. She's really, really big. She's a big girl. She's a big girl. So I just want to share with you, she is flowering. So this is her flowers. She is. And she have lots of them coming up everywhere. Everywhere. Whoa, that's a cutie. Oh, there's some right there. Yeah. All of those are flowers. See, can I reach this one? I'm reaching over my LSU Gold. So there is the flowers of an elderberry. Yeah. She's huge. But this is the thing about my elderberry is once I have this elderberry in my yard, and this may happen to you too, you have elderberries everywhere. So if you look right there, that little plant, that's elderberry. They're all over. So this is on the other side of the garden, over here by my corn, that is looking amazing. Amazing in the zeniths. That is my compost pile back there that is just growing. And of course, this is an elderberry. So let me share with you her flowers. She's getting flowers everywhere. So last year I did harvest some of hers, but anyway, I hope you can see this. There's her flowers right there. And she have lots of them coming up, you know, like that little space right there. That's her flowers too. So I just wanted you to see that, okay, man? Just so you know what they look like. Yeah. Before I leave from over here, look at this. I've been cutting my tomatoes. Wait a minute, y'all. See something here. Something here. Y'all see this? See this? Yeah. He's in here somewhere. I'm gonna find him. But anyway, I wanted to share this. Look at this. That's a big tomato, y'all. It's a big tomato. But, yeah. They are getting huge. They're really getting huge. Yeah. Check them out. Y'all see my shirt? You see my shirt? Wait a minute. I don't know if you can see it. There it is. Yeah, baby. My garden, my rules. Back to our roots. I don't even know if I got it in the shot, but I'm going to get it. So Jada and we are in Dollar Tree. Say hello. Look at these cute flags. Now, I've never seen these flags before. They are so cute. This one say hello spring. Here's a welcome and springtime. Yeah, they're really pretty. They are really, really pretty. So I have one light that I bought, solar light, and I couldn't find any more like them. And listen, there they are. So what these lights do, all of this here, they change colors all night long. They change to red, blue, pink, purple, yellow, green. So I got 4 more, baby. We got 4 more. It is early and the rain is coming, family. Yeah, I can feel it. It's just beginning. So I've taken one of my leek heads. As you can see, she's already put on her seeds. Yeah, that's all right with me though. Yeah, look at her. You can see the seeds in the head. I take them in, but not today. So I walk around in my garden, and where I want leeks, I drop my seeds. Yeah. So these are over by my tomatoes. I have some growing over here, but we're going to put some more. And here's another tomato plant with the garlic. I'm just dropping those leek seeds over here. I'm just trying to get a few things done before the rain shows up real heavy, y'all. Yeah. And now, this is my cucumbers. I have a lot of beneficials, but I saw this cucumber and I really want her pollinated. Yeah, I want to make sure I get to eat this one. And so I hand pollinated one of these Chinese, I think it's a Chinese jade cucumber, Baker Creek. And these are Baker Creek dragon eggs. I think that's what those are. But they are ready. So I'm going to harvest some of my lettuce, arugula, and these babies. Right here. These are the first ones that I've harvested this season. And she looks ready. Yeah. So I'm going to harvest these 3. And at least one of them will be a part of my lunch for today. Now, there is a very important part of this. This is when it all counts. It's in the kitchen. It's in the kitchen.